Step 1 is to gain access to the broken buttons. Do this by using a screwdriver or pry tool to pull up the trim around the shift boot, like such. Once you've done that, you'll expose 2 Phillips head screws right there. Go ahead and undo those, and then the entire trim panel will lift up from the back. The next step is to disconnect and remove your button array. Depending on which side you're working on, there are 2 electrical connections that are just tabs, and then you pull down. Once you do that, you should be able to remove the button array by this tab there at the bottom. This is where your very thin eyeglasses flathead screwdriver comes into play. You want to push the tabs on either side of the button, and it will literally pop off. Here I am trying to do it with a regular flathead screwdriver, and it didn't work. And then I went and got the thin one, and you can depress both buttons, great, and then it will literally pop off. If you didn't have to take your car to the dealership, please like and or subscribe. The last step is to install the new button. Ensure the new button is the same as the removed button, and then you want to go ahead and put 1 tab in, and then use your very thin screwdriver to pull out that plastic rail, and so you can slide the other tab in. So I have, see how it kind of gets stuck there? I have 1 tab in, and then I use this to pull out this rail and push down, and then the button clicks into place.